Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when 2 power 18 minus 10 power 2. We have to find the answer without using calculator. So before starting the solution, please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So 2 power 18, I can break this into 2 power 2 into 9 minus 10 power 2. Or according to exponent, if x power mn, we can write it as x power m power n. So I'm going to use this property here. So I can write it as 2 power 9 power 2 minus 10 power 2. Now we know the formula that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b or a minus b. So here, in this case, the value of a is 2 power 9 and the value of b is 10. So I'm going to replace this. So I can write 2 power 9 plus 10 or 2 power 9 minus 10. So 2 power 9, we know that because the solution is 512. So in place of 2 power 9, I will write 512 plus 10. Similar in the next bracket, 512 minus 10. So 512 plus 10 is 522. And 512 minus 10 is 502. Still, it's a big calculation. We can't solve it without calculator. So we are going to expand it. So 522, I can write it as 500 plus 22. Or 502, I can write it as 500 plus 2. Now, I'll multiply the first number, the next bracket, 2 numbers, and the second number, again, the next bracket, so 2 numbers. So, 500 times 500 is 500 square plus 500 times 2 is 11,000 plus 2200 multiply 500 is 1,000 plus 44. Now 500 square is 22,50,000 plus 11,000 plus 1,000 plus 44. So from the end, if I'll write this become 4, 4 and there is no place at 100, so it's 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 and 2. So the final answer is 262044. So we find it without using calculator. I hope you like it. Please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.